Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you're all doing great and ready to tackle the year ahead. And so for this video today, I wanted to share with you all an all-natural DIY skincare routine. And we'll be starting with the most important step, which is a face cleanser. To begin, you'll need a handful of chopped cucumbers and some rose water. All the precise measurements will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Now, the key ingredient here is cucumbers because they're a great source of vitamins A and C, antioxidants, are very hydrating, and have a very soothing effect just like the rose water. So you'll just want to give it a very good mix till you get a juice-like consistency. And next, pour it into a bottle. The best kind here would be one with a pump or a foamer cap. And essentially, you'll just be washing your face with this as you would any other face wash or cleanser. You'll also need to add castile soap, which is a natural liquid soap and cleanser, and it works great for this recipe. And you can also add some essential oils if you'd like. Here I'm adding eucalyptus, but it's entirely up to you. Next up in our skincare routine is going to be a face polish. This is essentially a face scrub, but it's a lot less abrasive and it stays in a powder-like form until you add a few drops of water to it before scrubbing your face. For starters, you'll need besan, or also known as gram flour, which is a wonderful exfoliator and really helps to brighten dull skin. Next is betonite or Aztec clay, which is great for unclogging pores and softening the skin. And finally, you'll need matcha green tea powder, which also helps to improve your complexion, and it's pretty much considered a vitamin-packed powerhouse, which is why it's gotten so popular in recent years. To make the face polish, simply add all three ingredients in a bowl and give it a really good mix. Since we're using betonite clay here, try not to use a metal spoon and go for either a wooden or ceramic spoon. And then transfer your mixture into a jar and use it once or twice a week to keep your skin looking great. And lastly, we have a wonderful face toner that I really love. All you'll need is some apple cider vinegar and chamomile tea, and that's it. This toner is so simple yet effective because it contains apple cider vinegar, which is great in helping to clear up the skin. And the chamomile here is really great because it helps to soothe your skin. So first you'll need to start by brewing some chamomile tea. Let the tea bag steep for a couple of minutes before pouring it into a bottle. Then add in a few teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and this is very strong, which is why it's so important that you dilute it in your skincare use. Finally, add some essential oils you like, and this is important if you're very sensitive to the smell of ACV, and then you're done. Give it a quick shake, dab a bit onto a cotton swab and swipe it on your face before applying your favorite face cream, and that's it. And there you have it, 3 simple DIYs for you to incorporate into your natural skincare routine in order to get that glowing, healthy skin. Again, all the information and product links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!